And here we are for another Sun City Shadow Hills walkthrough video. This is a San Vincent floor plan. The price tag is $430. Bedrooms 2, baths 2. The square footage is 1571 and the birth year is 2006. This here is a vacant property. I was out looking at homes in Shadow Hills and just thought I'd record it since these videos are getting a lot of view duration, tons of views. I wanted to give you a new floor plan to take a look at. Stainless steel appliances, neutral cabinets. Everything with this house seems to be pretty much original, which nothing wrong with that. As I mentioned, 2006 is the birth year. Before we get any further, I just want to show you this two-dimensional floor plan to help you understand the layout. You see at the top leftish area is the foyer. And when we started this video, I made my first left into that dining area through the kitchen, and right now the video is going to pick up at the living room. But you can see the 2 bedrooms, and it says on the floor plan right there, room. I'm going to fix that. That's actually a den. All the bedrooms are on one side of the house, and then the garage has an extra, let's say 4 feet. The average is a 20 by 20, so that extra 4 feet in the garage is going to make it easier for storage and parking your golf cart. A lot of people here in Shadow Hills drive their golf carts around, so having your own area or some additional space to park the golf cart makes a big world of a difference, and then you should still have some room for additional storage as well. But now that you understand the two-dimensional floor plan layout, let's get back to the walkthrough video. There's our living room, and then right as you enter the house, that's where the kitchen is, but here is our laundry. You get a sink, and then the garage with the extra 4 feet. They park the golf cart in sideways. A typical golf cart, not all of them, but a typical golf cart is 3 foot in width, so you'd park it sideways. For the 55 plus community like this one, the most common home is going to be around 2,000 square feet, and then 2 bedrooms with a den. 2 bedrooms with a den gives you the most, not the most, but it gives you like most people what they need. You get the office area for your computer, or additional living room, or even a 3rd bedroom in a pinch like this, and then you get your designated guest bedroom, which will be right here after we get through the bathroom. But you know, this one square footage is about 1,600, right below 1,600. But on average, in these 55 plus communities, around 2,000 is the most built, and then 2 in a den is going to be the most found, because it's typically just 2 humans living in these homes full time. I mean, the guests are coming and going, but real simple. All the bedrooms and the den on one side, and then the wide open living room and kitchen flow on the other half of the house. This has that little bay pop out, and it's been a good window lighting. It's north facing, so you're pretty much never going to have to close the windows. But like I said, pretty much original throughout. Neutral flooring, neutral coloring. If you want a brand new home, Desert Retreat is a community being built just right outside the community of Sun City Shadow Hills, where this house is located, and 1,400 homes is the plan there. It's actually the same builder as Sun City Shadow Hills, just a little bit smaller, about half the size. So again, north facing exposure, and you still get this patio cover. Shade goes a long way here in the desert. Even in the winter time, it's still 75 degrees, so having shade is quite useful. And if there's no shortage of sun. You can go for a walk around the community. You can go for a hike to find the sun. A little peekaboo of the mountains there. That should be San Jacinto to the west. I like the white wall. Just made it feel a little bit nicer back there. A little bit cozier, or refreshed, I guess is the right word, but definitely low maintenance backyard here in Sun City Shadow Hills. Thanks for watching. I'll see you at the next one.